Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The best Dewalt 12V battery is probably one of the most essential components for any serious DIYer or professional tradesperson, offering a compact yet powerful solution for a wide range of cordless tools, ensuring you have the reliable energy needed to tackle any job, big or small, without being weighed down by heavier, bulkier alternatives, making it a versatile choice for various applications where portability and sustained performance are paramount. Number 5. WOLFBOX 4000 Jump Starter. Introducing the Megavolt 24, a robust 88.8 Wh jump starter designed for all your 12V vehicles. It's perfect for cars, trucks, and boats, ensuring you can get back on the road quickly, even with large engines up to 10 liters. Stay informed with the clear HD LCD screen. It provides a transparent view of all status indicators, allowing you to easily monitor its condition and access all its functions. Never run out of power on the go. This device features a 65W Type-C port and a QC 3.0 USB-A port, fully recharging in just 1.3 hours. It efficiently charges your phones, laptops, and iPads, making it ideal for any trip. Get started with ease using the one-touch boost function, perfect for low-voltage starts. Plus, the integrated LED flashlight with SOS, strobe, and high beam modes is an essential tool for any emergency. Built to withstand extreme temperatures from -4 to 140 degrees Fahrenheit, this jump starter is as reliable as it is safe. It has passed rigorous safety tests and boasts an IP64 rating for durability in harsh environments. What we like. This jump starter boasts a massive 4000 A peak current and an 88.8 Wh battery, capable of starting engines up to 10L. It also features 65W USB-C fast charging for your devices. If you need a reliable power source for larger vehicles or extended trips, this is the one to consider. What people say. The battery has a good charge and lasts a long time. It fits perfectly in my 12V tools and provides consistent power. The compact size makes it easy to handle and maneuver the tools. Number 4. FirstPower 12V 4.0 A DCB 120 Replacement Battery. Introducing the FirstPower 12V 4.0 A DCB 120 Replacement Battery. It's designed to power your Dewalt 12V lithium-ion tools, offering a reliable and efficient energy source. This battery boasts a 12-volt power output and a 4.0 Ah capacity, utilizing advanced lithium-ion technology. Enjoy consistent performance with no memory effect, ensuring it's ready when you are. It's engineered to be compatible with various Dewalt 12V lithium-ion tools, including models like DCB120, DCB121, and DCB127. It also works seamlessly with Dewalt 12V chargers such as DCB100, DCB101, and DCB119. Experience up to 25% more runtime compared to standard batteries. Its design mirrors the original, ensuring a perfect fit and effortless installation into your tools. Equipped with premium battery cells and built-in protection, it charges stably without overheating. It has been tested to meet OEM product standards for your peace of mind. To ensure its longevity, store it in a clean, dry, and cool place, away from heat and metal objects. We offer 24-hour service for any questions you may have. What we like. This is a 2-pack of 4.0 Ah replacement batteries offering XRP extended runtime, providing 25% more power than standard batteries. They are designed to be a perfect fit for your Dewalt 12V tools. If you're a frequent user of your Dewalt 12V tools and need consistent, long-lasting power, these are an excellent choice. What people say. These give an extra amp-hour of power, which is really nice. I have yet to run one down. These new batteries run my tool way better than the original ones. They are stronger and hold a charge longer. Number 3. Dewalt 20V to 12V 20A Step-Down Converter. This device efficiently converts your 20V Dewalt battery power to a stable 12V output. It delivers up to 20A and 240W, perfect for your 12V devices. It's designed to work seamlessly with Dewalt 18V and 20V lithium batteries, including popular models like DCB205 and DCB200. The adapter fits snugly and is easy to install. Equipped with a smart chip, it offers multiple protections including overcurrent, overvoltage, and short-circuit protection. A built-in 30A fuse adds an extra layer of safety for your connected devices. We've integrated the adapter and converter with heat-resistant wires and a fuse holder for a straightforward setup. Simply attach your battery and connect to your 12V device. This converter is ideal for a wide range of 12V applications. Power up your ride-on toys, golf carts, car accessories, LED lighting, or robotics projects with ease. Enjoy reliable power conversion for all your 12V needs. It's built to provide consistent performance and protect your equipment from power surges. What we like. This device converts your Dewalt 20V batteries into a 12V power source with a 20A max output. It includes multiple safety protections to safeguard your devices. If you have a collection of Dewalt 20V batteries and want to power your 12V accessories or tools, this adapter is a versatile solution. What people say. Works well in conjunction with relays. Works great with LED strips. Added a switch between step converter and battery to prevent parasitic draw. The converter does step the 20V down to a 12V. Number 2. 2 packs DCB 121 12V 4000 mAh lithium battery replacement. Introducing a powerful 12V lithium-ion battery, offering a substantial 4000 mAh capacity. This provides long-lasting power for your essential tasks. Designed to replace original part numbers like DCB 120, DCB 121, and DCB 127. It's also compatible with chargers such as DCB 100 and DCB 101. Built with premium battery cells, it features integrated protections. These safeguard against overcharging, overdischarging, and short circuits for safe operation. This battery has undergone professional testing and holds CE and RoHS certifications. It meets or exceeds original equipment manufacturer specifications. Enjoy peace of mind with a 1-year warranty and 24-hour customer service. We offer conditional refunds or replacements for any quality concerns. Please note that this battery is specifically designed for 12V tools. It is not compatible with Dewalt 20V tools. What we like. This is a 2-pack of 4000 mAh replacement batteries specifically for Dewalt 12V cordless power tools. They come with built-in protections against overcharge and overdischarge. If you're looking for a cost-effective way to keep your Dewalt 12V tools running with reliable capacity, this twin pack is a solid option. What people say. These are cheap enough I bought them just as replacement battery cases. But they have performed well and I haven't bothered swapping the guts from the broken Dewalt battery cases. For batteries for the price of one genuine Dewalt and donor cases if the batteries die. Win-win. Muy buenas y cargan con el cargador Dewalt original. Number 1. Dewalt 12V 2.0 all lithium-ion batteries, 2-pack. Introducing the Dewalt 12V 2.0 all lithium-ion batteries. Experience reliable power for your tools. These batteries offer a 2.0 Ah capacity, ensuring you have the energy needed to complete demanding tasks. Built with advanced lithium-ion technology, they provide consistent performance and a longer lifespan. This pack includes 2 batteries, giving you a backup or allowing you to keep one charged while the other is in use. Trust in Dewalt's commitment to durability. These batteries are designed to withstand tough job site conditions. Ensure your Dewalt 12V tools are always ready to go. Get the power you need, when you need it. What we like. This is a 2-pack of 2.0 Ah lithium-ion batteries for your Dewalt 12V tools. They offer a good balance of power and a compact size for maneuverability. If you need a straightforward, reliable power source for your lighter Dewalt 12V applications or prefer a less bulky battery, this 2-pack is a practical choice. What people say. These are so much better than the original packs, they were smaller and didn't have battery meters. Always nice to have an extra on hand. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.